Alright y'all, so I came to do a review on this drill. This is called the Lavenda. This is a 35,000 RPM rechargeable nail drill. Actually, girl, this is the sister of the Belle. Okay, I did a review on the Belle, so if you want to go check that out, go ahead and check her out. Alright, I'll leave a link right up there in that corner up there. Now, Lavenda has her name on the front. As you see, the Belle does not, but that's okay. Check her out, girl. She's 35,000 RPMs. But look at here, girl. She's just like the Belle. And I had a young lady reach out to me and ask me how well does my Belle work. And yes, she works just fine. She's still hanging on in there, girl. But yeah. So she comes out of her case just like this here. She comes in this plastic case, see? And then you slap her back on in there like that. Now, keep in mind, when you very first get her, she will be a little challenging to get out of this case. Just give her a little wiggle, wiggle, and she's going to come straight on out, sis. Here is the hand piece right here. Isn't she a beauty? Girl, I love her. Isn't she pretty? Look at that. Beautiful ombre. And she has the name on that, Lavenda. Yeah. She's not heavy. And she also comes with these drill bits here. A set of drill bit thingies here. You have your brush there. You have this here. This is the kicker. I don't know the name of these things here. You just take your sanding band and put it on here and get started like that there, girl. Whatever that is. I just call it the kicker. It's the starter. Whatever. It comes with this ceramic. It also comes with this here little cuticle pen drill thing here. You got to be careful because it's kind of sharp. It comes with a ball drill there, and it also comes with a sanding drill there. Okay, this is so nice and cute. It also comes with, I showed you those already. It comes with the little rester, like that there. Okay, and she also comes with a cord. Alright, so let me go ahead and get her plugged in, and we're going to see how well she works. I'm also going to do a comparison with the Belle as well. Okay, yeah, that rhyme. I told y'all I can be a rapper. I can be a rapper. I can be a rapper if I want to be a rapper. Who you tell me I can't be no rapper? Okay, y'all, she's all plugged in my outlet. Now I'm going to take this part and plug her in at the bottom here. Alright, it shows the battery indicator. Shows how far she's charged. So that's good. Alright, now I'm going to take the hand piece and plug her in at the top. Okay, now at the top we have forward and reverse. We also have an on and off switch with the speed maximum. Alright y'all, before we turn her on, we must remove this pin. And how to do that, you got to turn her to the left, and the left is unlock. Remove the pin, turn her back to the right to lock her. Okay, alright, I'm going to try this ceramic nail drill in here. So I'm going to unlock her again like that there, and then I'm going to push this down in there like that, okay, and then turn it to lock it. So just remember, lefty loosey to loosen it, taking it out, righty tighty to lock her, okay? Alright, let's turn this sucker on and let's see how she sounds. Okay, I have her in forward. Now let's turn her on. See, the F says forward right there on the display. And I'm turning her up. And she's purring like a kitten, girl. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. She does not have any type of vibration, which is great. Let me turn her down. Actually, I'm going to turn her off. And I want to turn her off before I put her in reverse, because I don't want to throw the gears off. You know, it's almost like driving a car. You can't just drive your car, step on the gas, and then throw it straight in park. You can't do that. You got to hit them brakes before you put your car in park. Same thing with the drill. You don't want to throw your gears off in your car. You want to throw them off in your drill. So now I'm going to put her in reverse. And she has the R right there as well on the display to show you she's in reverse. There you go. Alright, y'all. I love this little thing. Okay. So let me turn her off. You see how you can get handprints all over this thing? You just take a cloth, wipe off. She'll shine right back up like new money. Girl, look at her. Brand new. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you hear me talking? Do you hear me talking? Girl, if you don't hear me talking, you better start walking. Look at her. Beautiful. All right, she got little prints right there. Turn her over. Wipe her off with a towel. Look at that. Look at that. Wipe her clean on off, girl. She like new. New. Alright, and I forgot to mention, y'all, you turn her over and this is the back of the baby. And you take her right here and you clamp her right on your waist side, on your belt there. Okay, and these two notches right here makes her easy to sit on your desk like that there. Okay? And as well, you already know this is where the handpiece goes right there. Alright, y'all. Alright, I said I was going to come back and do a comparison with this drill. Same drill. No need to do all that. Same drill, same torque, just different colors. I can turn her on. You get the same thing. Only difference is it says Belle when she comes on, which is beautiful. So you have the Belle display lights up when you turn her on, and you have the Lavenda already right there. So it's really not a difference. It's really not a, ooh, who's the best or whatever, because these sisters, baby, these some nice drills. Alright. So hopefully I can come back in another 6 months and do an update review on these drills and let y'all know how they are performing. But for now, sister, hey, these sisters here, they get my vote. The Lavenda drill as well as the Belle drill has these nice little sturdy carrying cases. It has zippers. Zip it all the way around. Open her up. Here's the Belle. The Belle as well. But again, I say it's really no difference between the two drills. They both are some very lovely drills. You'd be lucky to have either, if not both of them, in your life. Alright, I need to cover it up. I'm waiting on the ceiling fan to cut off real fast. I'm going to hurry up with this video because it's hot as hell over here. And I'm sweaty Betty. And ain't nobody got time to be all over here sweating like this. It's hot. This drill have a lot of reflection to it. And I know that can be very irritating to watch. This thing is like a mirror. Hold on. I'm waiting on it to stop. I apologize for that. Girl, and I'm trying to move it every which way to get the reflection so y'all won't see all that. But it's hard to do, and I apologize for that. But let me go ahead and turn her on. She's already in forward. So I'm going to go ahead and turn her on. Look at that. That's so irritating. I apologize. She's going to stop in a minute, y'all. See, because if I take her this way, you're going to get more of the fan. I take her this way, you're going to get some of that ring light. And I know y'all like, dang, really hurting my eyeballs. But I'm going to go ahead, and she's on 10 right now, and I got her in forward. Hold on, let me put my mask on. I'm over here choking off nail dust. Here she go, y'all. Look how well she's taking it down. See that? And she only at 10, girl. She ain't got no vibration. Girl. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay. Look at that. She ain't hesitating. She ain't stopping. When I'm going across the nail. It's a great little drill. Okay. Girl, this is a great little drill to have by your wayside. Yes, me. Okay. Alright, let me turn her off. I'm going to put her in reverse. Okay, I'm going to turn her on in reverse. Take her that way. Oh, she works excellent, girl. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how she cutting down in that nail. Gotta be careful using these drills. But look how she cut, girl. That's enough said with that one. This one performs very nice. Hold on. Let me turn her off. Let me get old Belle here. Alright, these drill bits that I have here, they have these protecting caps on, and the reason for these caps is to prevent dust from getting down in your handpiece. Now, I told y'all before where I purchased these from. If you need them, girl, which I believe you do, if you own any type of e-file, hand file, nail drill, whatever you want to call them, you're going to need these little caps in your life, honey, because this prevents the dust from getting down. And don't nobody got time to keep on replacing hand pieces to no drills. It's always I'm saying. But let me go ahead and turn her on, okay? Put my mask on. She is in forward as well. Let me turn Belle on. Alright, Belle. There you go. She's at 10. I apologize. I really do, y'all, for this reflection. These things is like mirrors, though. Wherever I turn, you're going to see some background. So, that's what it is, honey. Let me go ahead and go across here with Belle real fast so I can show y'all how she twerks. See? She performs just as well. They're basically the same, I'm telling you. Same drills. They sisters. They tag team together, girl. Look at that. Going straight across it. No burn, no vibration. None of that. You know what I mean? Ooh, girl, tore into my glove. This thing powerful. Alright. Girl. Yep, that's it, y'all. So like I say, either one of these drills is beautiful to have by your wayside. You want to get real dangerous, girl. Have one on that side, have one on that side. Let your client pick the color, baby. Yeah, but I'm just acting a fool. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave. Never you mind that. Because it's going to get a little dusty. You can get a little handprints. Like I showed y'all, you just get a towel, wipe it off. She good as new, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a code down in the description by below. Alright, you can go purchase this drill on Amazon. Okay, when you put her over in your cart, girlfriend, I don't know how long this little $10 off is going to be over there. But right now they have $10 off on this drill. As soon as you put her in your cart, you look right over there by the price, girl. You're going to see $10 off. Hit that as well as this code I'm about to give you down in the description by below. So that way you can save you some extra quantities on this beautiful hand piece, okay? Beautiful, beautiful drill. I'm telling y'all. Look at that. Look at that ombre. Girl, they done showed out. Alright, y'all. That's my time. I want to thank y'all so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of y'all. And all my folks that's just sticking and rocking with me. Thank y'all so very much. I really appreciate y'all. Until next time, y'all, that's my time. I'll be right back real shortly with a whole nother other video all up and through here. Yeah.